I'm not this bitch. This nigga's tripping.
On the same shit, bro. Keep squeezing till the clip gone.
So look out for the SRT next week.
I got one.
What you mean?
I got one. Come with me.
Damn! Yo! Yeesh!
Yeah.
Boy, caught that Hemi joint. Stop playing.
You know, don't want SRT on them. You know what I mean? You might have to clean for sure.
Dang, that's crazy. Red seats?
Go inside. Let's go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Peeking $14,100. You know what I mean? That's the bid amount. He got a whole bunch of fees and taxes. Ended up paying $15,300. 392 Hemi. See, it's not a Hellcat, but yeah. Woo! The heat works. My bad is the sun glare. Nah.
Yep.
You in the right guts. Oh, forgot to mention, this got 7,000 miles. This is brand new, folks. Hey, we out. Okay.
I'm smashing a chick.
I ain't trying to get on the road.
It's sexy. Dump that shit, gang. We out here, man. In the middle of nowhere. And I'm smashing a chick.
Do it.
Yeah, we gonna fill it out.
So far,
man.
so good though. AC don't work. I don't know what's going on.
Not as good. We gonna need that.
Whoa, hey. You straight? Hey, what? You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Hell no. Oh! Yeah, just we can walk. We can walk. We can walk for real.
No, y'all need to walk. Y'all stuck with me. Y'all niggas ain't going nowhere. Think she got launch control too.
Yo, launch control, what?
Yeah, right here, look.
Nigga, no.
No, I'm saying, when it go green.
No launch. No, we're good.
We gonna wait till you know.
We're good. Talking about launch. Oh yeah. Oh. Break.
Hey, nigga.
I'm out this bitch. This nigga's tripping. I'm out this bitch. I'm out this bitch. Hey, keep him in. Go. Keep him in. Go.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Yes, sir. Oh! Põe-me na cor.
I got you, bro. I'm not gonna crash, bro.
Take out. Be careful. Be careful though. That's the life. Yeah. I'm out this bitch for sure.
I got you, bro. I got you.
He ain't never been in no shit. That's why.
I actually got some power, bro. Nigga hit 5,000. Nigga, that shit was fine. Plus, the back tires cooked, nigga. So when you slide.
Oh my god, bro, that sounds hilarious.
Did you get that, bro?
No, it's not. It's the clutch. Clutch me my burden. I fucked the clutch.
Yeah, nah, the niggas told me, bro, where they had it before, they dogged this bitch, bro. So the clutch, they was probably dumping that shit all the time. It was already worn out.
Yeah. W car. Right now, we don't need. Yeah, turn it off. We just need what? A grill. It's missing a lower grill. And then the door, quarter panel. That's about it. I think there will be a part 2 to this video. This is the first. I should put this all in one video and then record another video. Or should I put them all together?
We might need a part 2, bro.
Part 2. Okay, so when the parts get here and I get the body man to fix it, it's gonna be a part 2. Subscribe. This video number 2 or video number 3, I don't know. But go subscribe to my personal channel. This is my car's channel. What you got to say?
Hey man, look, we're not over, man. We're not done yet.
No cap. It should be done in about a week.
Still got some more work to do. But
More work to do.
we're gonna be goody.
No cap. What's happening? It's the next day. No, I lied. It is like 3 days later. My body man finally has time for it. This is the only little dent it got, and the front grill. But besides that, the bumper is fine. We already have the paint. How many days? 1 day? 2 days. He said it's gonna take 2 days. 2 days. We had some fun in it, you know. Cardi dropped today. So if you're watching this, everybody knows what they're doing the day Cardi drops. I know 4 years ago, I was in Africa when a whole lot of red dropped. Today I'm working. When music dropped, I am music, whatever you want to call it. Great album, by the way. Great album. It's the best album on the song. I just gave him the card. He's doing his work right now. I have no idea what he's doing. But the dent is not there no more. Alberto just outside?
Whole lot of street racing technology.
Bondo. One more.
Be on the lookout for the auction. SRT next week.
Oh. It is.
Ooh. Next day. It's gloomy outside. Charlotte weather. It's like yesterday was sunny, y'all seen. And then today, look, oh. Alberto, hello. Looks like I ended up put a bumper on there, the bottom grill's on. And then he primed the door, sanded it down. So now, only thing left to do is paint it. He's gonna paint it this afternoon. I'm going on a little impulsive
spontaneous trip today. So if he paints it today, I won't be able to show you guys until I get back. 2 days. We're gonna take it to inspection and then go wash it. Oh, sorry. We're gonna take it to inspection and go wash it. I think this is my third video, third or fourth or second. I'm not too sure, but I appreciate y'all for watching. For real, for real. I know this is in the middle. Do not click off the video just yet because we have a long way to go with that car. Well, it's almost done, but I appreciate y'all. Right now, I currently have 19 subscribers, okay? You know, we got a long way to go. Hopefully, by the time you see this video, I'm at 30 something, I don't know. But this is my call to action. Everybody, please go subscribe to this channel. I'm putting in more energy to this channel than my main channel because this is what I do every single day. I want to get to the point where, you know, I'm building Porsches or Lambos or, you know, my dream car, McLaren. You know, hopefully next year I'll be in a McLaren, inshallah. But yeah, press the subscribe button, like the video, watch for as long as possible so the algorithm works for me. I think I figured it out. I think people, if you watch less than 25% of the video, YouTube doesn't push my video out. But yeah, watch the video, like the video, subscribe, send it to your friends, because I have car friends, and every time I see a car video, I send it to people. Have them subscribe, 20 subscribers. If I can get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month or next month, I'll be really appreciative, and then I can get more cars, like this one, or like that one. My brother also rebuilds cars, but he don't do YouTube, so I'm gonna be documenting his builds as well, to kind of help me with the content. So we're gonna get that done. But back to the Challenger. It's almost done. Alberto, paint today? But he's gonna paint today. I'm not gonna be here, so next time you see this, I should be in it and getting it inspected and washing it. He's stalking him right now. Looks like I don't think he can see me, but he's putting tape. He's taping the car up. If you do body work, let me know if this is the right way to do it. I'm playing. I'm not gonna judge his work or whatnot. But it looks like he's taping up the car. He's doing it pretty quick. He's vibing too. If you know this song, leave a like, comment down below.
.com is the sponsor of this video, and it is an amazing automated compliance platform, guys. I think every business needs to use this tool because think about this. There's so many rules.
So the Challenger's ready. I'm on the way to it right now. I painted the entire car so that I didn't have any paint match issues. Stay tuned to the end of the video so y'all can know how much everything costed us. But I'm on the way to it right now. This is my first time seeing it. My brother already seen it. I'm on the way to it, and then we're going to wash it because it got painted. Today is Monday. It got painted Saturday night, so it's been a cool past 24 hours. We're going to see what it looks like and if we can, you know, detail it